Hi everyone, myself Dr. Sachin V. Bangale working as an assistant professor, Department of Chemistry, GM Weather, College of Science, Tala. Now here I am teach the comparative chemistry of main group elements. Contents of the today's positions in the periodic table, electronegativity, and last one is the oxidation state of main group element. See, these are the whole periodic table, and in periodic table the positions of the comparative groups of main group elements in our periodic table. Here these are the positions in our periodic table: group number first, second, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All these are the main group elements. Then electronegativity of an element's its capacity to attract electrons towards to form another elements in its compounds. The concepts of electronegativity is a very important because it is a give an idea about the metallic and non-metallic properties of elements. It also helps to explain and predict many properties of elements like bond dissociation energy, bond polarity, and ionic character of covalent bonds. Then factors affecting the electronegativity. First is the atomic size. Smaller is the size of an atom, greater is the tendency to attract the electron towards, higher is the electronegativity. Then oxidation state, the electronegativity increases in positive oxidation state. This is the because with the increases in positive character. To tendency to attract an electron increases. If the elements show variable oxidation state, as the oxidation state increases, size of the atoms decreases, and hence the electronegativity increases. The electronegativity varies with different oxidation state. Then hybridizations of the central atom, electronegativity decreases. Electronegativity decreases with the increases S character of hybrid orbitals. This is the because a orbital electron are greater to the nucleus and have more penetrating power. For examples of this electronegativity of the carbon is 2.48 and 2.75 and 3.29. For the sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization, and sp hybridizations. Then partial ionic charge. Another factors affecting the electronegativity here. These are the electronegativity increases with increases in partial positive charge on the atoms. The electronegativity of I plus is 4.5 is greater than fluorine 4.0. Here, in comparisons of the electronegativity of the main group elements, as we move down the group, the value of electronegativity decreases. This decreases in the value can be explained taking into account of the following factors. With increases in size of atom, the attractions of electron decreases, and this electronegativity decreases. Down the groups with increases in nuclear charge, inner electron density increases. Increases the scanning effect, the effective nuclear charge decreases. Because of the decreases, electronegativity decreases. As a rule, the ionization energy, electron affinity, and electronegativity rule parallel to each other. The low ionization potential energy is indications of low electron affinity and low electronegativity. As atomic size of alkali metal is the maximum as compared to the other group elements, the attractions for electrons is a minimum, and hence they have low electronegativity. Because of the large electronegativity difference between alkali metal and halogen ion compounds are formed. In case of elements of group first and group second, electronegativity decreases as we move down the group. The value of calcium is expectation. The elements of group 13 and group 14 are more electronegative than group first and group second elements. In case of group 13 elements, it is because they have smaller atomic size, but for group 13, as we move down the group, decreases in values of the electronegativity is not expected. Similarly, in case of group 14, which includes carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, elements show irregular trends. It decreases from carbon to silicon, increases from Si to Ge, against decreases from gallium to tin, and finally increases from Sn to Pb, and such variation is because of the filling of d electrons in germanium and tin, d and f orbital in case of lead. For group 15 and group 16, electronegativity of the elements decreases gradually as we move down the group, and this decreases because of increases in atomic size of the elements down the group. Decreases in electronegativity of these elements also indicate change from non-metallic to metallic nature of elements. For example, first the elements of both the groups, nitrogen and oxygen, are non-metals, while last elements, bismuth and polonium, are metal. Polonium is a radioactive element. Then elements of group 17 have least atomic size and maximum capacity to attract the electron towards them. Hence, they are highly electronegative. Fluorine is a maximum electronegativity of 4. It decreases gradually. Iodine show last electronegativity of 2.5. Iodine show positive oxidation state. Its few compounds for ICl3, ICl5. Because of high electronegativity, halogens are non-metallic in character. Non-metallic character of these elements decreases down the group, and iodine has last electronegativity. Then oxidation state. Oxidation states of an element is defined as the residue charge left on the central atom, where other atoms of the compounds are removed in their use as usual oxidation state. The oxidation states of elements depends on the number of electrons present in valency shell, number of electron charge. Radically, it is expected that oxidation state of elements also change periodically. Across the period, atomic number increases by 1 unit, hence the oxidation state changes by 1 unit, and change occur in cycle. Here, the oxidation states shown by main group elements are listed as given below. Here, in group number, elements belongs to S block, means group first and group seconds show only one stable oxidation state +1 for group first and group second, +2 for group second metal. The oxidation state is equal to the electron present in their valency shell or s orbital. Also the elements of group first. So oxidation state of +1 because they have one electron in their valency shell, high and valency shell. They cannot show higher oxidation state because of high second ionization potential, as second electron from valency shell cannot be removed. In oxidation state of p block elements, in outer electronic configurations of group 13 and group 14, group 15 elements are N s2, Np1, Ns2, Np2 and Ns2, Np3. Therefore, they exhibits plus 3, plus 4 and plus 5 oxidation state respectively. And group number 16 and group number 17 elements have Ns2, Np4 and Ns2, Np5 electrons in their outermost shell, and they here the oxidation state is -2 and -1 oxidation state, and here these are the whole oxidation states of the main group elements. Thank you very much.